Here I am at the cottage at Fairhope Bluff on the Leaf River. The cottage is really nice. Temperature 70 degrees. It's about sunset. Got a nice little fire going from twigs I gathered on the sandbar. Very nice, beautiful sandbar across the river, upstream, and our own little beach, private beach, all to myself tonight. If I had come out earlier, I'd fish, maybe catch a fish or two and grill it on the fire. Have a nice supper. Today I've just been, well, for part of the day, the afternoon, out here working at the cabin, demoing the old pergola. Probably rebuild it. Prepping the bunk beds. We just got some bedding for. And doing a few other odds and ends. It's got a little bit more work to go. I think we should be able to open it to the public in the spring. It's going to be a beautiful place. Imagine this. Maybe you have a nice canoe trip put in up at New Augusta, float down here to our own landing, take out. Maybe you've got somebody here, friends, have the fire going for you. Maybe you caught a few fish along the way. Maybe you got a few steaks. Grill it out on the sandbar and just enjoy. It's so relaxing. Out here in the middle of nowhere. Can't beat it.